Ever wondered how your smartphone magically appeared in your hand? Well, it's not magic. It's globalization. This is what happens when the world decides borders are more of a suggestion than a rule. Suddenly, everything starts zipping around the planet. Goods, money, ideas, culture, and even jobs. Think about it. Your phone is the ultimate global citizen. It was probably designed in California, assembled in China, powered by minerals from Africa, and then shipped across oceans faster than you can say free shipping. It's a tiny, pocket-sized United Nations of technology. And it's not just tech. Look at your closet! Fast fashion is another wild example of globalization. Those trendy jeans might be made in Bangladesh, marketed from an office in Paris, and worn by you for a season, before they somehow end up in a landfill. It's a whirlwind tour for a piece of fabric. Our food is on a world tour too. We're eating Mexican avocados in January, sipping Ethiopian coffee in a cafe in Ohio, and enjoying sushi in cities thousands of miles from the nearest ocean like it's completely normal. Globalization turned our dinner plates into a global food festival. Culture has also joined the party. Hollywood movies are everywhere! K-pop groups are topping charts from Korea to Brazil, and a TikTok dance trend can cross continents in a matter of hours. The world is sharing one big, chaotic, and sometimes cringy playlist. Here's a fun fact to blow your mind. About 90% of everything you own probably traveled on a giant cargo ship. Globalization literally runs on huge metal containers floating across the sea, stacked higher than your student debt. These ships are the unsung heroes of your Amazon addiction. But it's not all just fun games and next-day delivery. Globalization reshapes how we work. Companies move factories and call centers to other countries to make things cheaper. This gives us affordable products, but it can also lead to job losses in one place and tough working conditions in another. Tourism is another double-edged sword. It spreads money and connects people, but sometimes it can overwhelm local spots and water down unique cultures until every tourist town looks the same. And global corporations have become so powerful, they can sometimes feel like they have more influence than actual governments. So, globalization is this massive, tangled web that connects us, feeds us, entertains us, and yeah, sometimes exploits us. It's made the world smaller, faster, and a whole lot more complicated. It's the reason you can watch a Korean drama while eating Italian pizza on a Swedish sofa. What a time to be alive. Thanks for watching! Like and subscribe to Legacy Lab, and let us know in the comments which part of globalization affects your life the most. Is it your job, your food, or your phone? Or tell us what concept you want us to unpack next. See you in the next video.